Blessings and good fortune winners. It's Daz, and it is Thursday, which means it's gonna be time for Build Along Thursdays, which is where we build, monetize, automate, and scale different digital assets together every Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, and 6 p.m. Pacific. Ooh, that was a tongue twister. Anyways, I wanted to make this video to be able to give you guys just a quick little preview as far as what we're going to be talking about this Thursday at Build Along Thursdays. Um, for those of you who don't know, I've kind of been dipping into Aikaiji, which is a Japanese term for finding your purpose. And it's basically what you're good at, what your passion is, what you can monetize, and what the world needs. And when you think about this in the digital realm, you can literally um, capitalize or monetize on your specialized knowledge. Like when you think about it, what can you teach someone else to do in 5 to 15 steps? You don't even have to be the sole expert on something. You just need to be able to articulate the steps. So, can you share your beauty routine? Can you share your workout? Can you share a certain way that you cook your special dish? Like, these are all things that you can be able to monetize on and monetize on instantly. It really doesn't even take too much to be able to capitalize or monetize on your specialized knowledge. So, which brings me to my point. The topic for this Thursday is going to be to monetize your noggin. So, we're going to go over how to create an ebook, how to outline it, how to get the illustrations, putting it together, and of course, being able to monetize on it. And I'm actually going to have a couple of surprises at the end as far as different monetization techniques and different a couple of extra traffic sources. So you're definitely going to want to tune in for that. So, yes, I just wanted to be able to give everybody a sneak peek as far as what we're going to be able to talk about this Thursday at Build Along Thursdays. We're just going to be able to talk about monetizing on what you know how to do and what you can express in words to someone else how to do. Because infopreneurship is big business. It's one thing to be able to make money doing something, but it's a whole nother ball game to be able to make money teaching something. And with the internet and being able to package it up into digital products, there's no limits really. Like your income can reach all over the world, and then there's no limit to how much you can make. So I hope to see you guys there. I will see you later on tonight for Build Along Thursdays, 9 p.m. Eastern. Blessings, good fortune, and may the profits forever be in your favor. It's that.